Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a Mac or Cloud Mac as the iMessage bridge. You need an Apple ID signed in and the messaging app running. Once done, install the server component iMessage or Blue Bubbles and enable remote access because the server relays iMessage to your phone. Now on Android, install the matching client app and choose Pair Device. Scan the QR or enter the pairing code. This establishes a secure tunnel, so messages move between Apple's service and your Android. Once paired, configure networking so the server stays reachable. Set a static IP or dynamic DNS and forward the server port, or use the built-in TLS/HTTPS option to avoid port rules. Next, grant SMS and notification permissions on Android so MMS and group messages arrive correctly, and link phone numbers inside the server settings to preserve sender identity. Make sure to enable available end-to-end encryption and add trusted devices. This reduces interception risk while keeping the connections stable and reliable. Finish by thoroughly testing. Send one-to-one texts, group messages, and MMS to confirm media and timestamps sync correctly. If messages queue or fail, restart the Mac server and Android client, then review server logs to identify errors. Make sure the pairing remains valid and repair if necessary. If problems persist, verify NAT traversal and TLS certificates. Most issues relate to unreachable ports or expired certs. Finally, make incremental changes and retest so you can pinpoint and fix configuration errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.